Alright guys, ayan isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Intro muna tayo. Alright guys, ang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Meron tayong reaction video dito kay Rob Trip dito sa ANZ. Alright, gusto na nila simulan ang impeachment ni Sara Duterte. Ngayong June 20, no? June 2 or July na. At the word tonight, several member of House prosecution or panel criticized that proposed timetable, no, for Senate impeachment trial of the Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte. Alright, panoorin po natin yan, and to further ado, let's watch sa ANC, no? Let's get it on. Alright?
The prosecution panel criticized the proposed timetable for the Senate impeachment trial of Philippine Vice President Sara Duterte. They fear any delay could jeopardize the witnesses and the integrity of their evidence. RG Cruz has tonight's top story.
Senate Minority Leader Aquino Pimentel III says Senate President Francis Escudero gave his fellow senators copies of his proposed timetable for the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte even before he made it public. Despite this, Pimentel is determined to convince his colleagues to convene as an impeachment court as soon as possible. The senator argues this will not count as a legislative session.
Binibigyan niya kami na advance copy para siguro mag-react na. Pero walang nagbago sa mata ni Senate President. June 2 pa talaga namin
Ayan, June 2, no? Na masisimulan, he believe it should be during legislative session that were deeper, no?
kilusan opisyal ang impeachment. Kailangan naka-legislative session kami sa kanyang paniniwala. Doon kami nagkakaiba.
While they differ on the impeachment schedule, Pimentel and Escudero both disagree with the
Kaya magkaiba sila, no? Ni Escudero at ni Coco Pimentel.
proposal of the Palace press officer for senators to write to President to ask for a special session of Congress for the trial.
Hindi ko naman gagawin yung ayokong gapangin yun, no, out of respect to the Senate President.
Patawarin na lamang natin sa bago lang siya at baka excited pa.
A secretariat has been created by the House to assist prosecutors. A member of the panel, however, insists it's still a long wait for the proposed July 30 start of the trial. Congressman Joel Chua points out the 5-month-long wait could open the prosecution's witnesses and evidence to greater risks.
Nanganganib po yung mga ebidensya po namin at yung mga testigo po namin. Yan lang naman po yung sa amin. Kaya po gusto rin po namin din ito masimulan.
But the Senate chief is not budging and urged those with issues on the impeachment schedule to take it up in court.
At doon sa sinasabi ni Congressman Bongalon na gusto nila mas maaga, gawa nila ng parang maamiyandahan nila yung saligang batas dahil nakalagay doon. Makakapagsimula lamang kami kapag may sesyon ang Senado.
Escudero also says his proposed timetable is still subject to the approval of his colleagues. RG Cruz, ABS-CBN News.
Alright guys, nagmamadali na sila para sa impeachment ni Sara, no? At magkaiba ang kanilang pananaw ni Coco Pimentel at ni Gis Escudero, no? Magulo talaga. Sila nga magulo na. Tayo pa. Alright, maraming salamat sa panonood at pakikinig dito kay Rob Trip, and see us again sa ating the next one. Alright, thank you so much and peace out.